Santorini, officially Thira, and classic Greek Thera, is an island in the southern Aegean Sea, about 200 kilometers southeast of Greece mainland. Don't forget to subscribe for another upcoming video of amazing places on Earth. Santorini is the largest island of a small circular archipelago. Cruise ship, anchor of Scala, and passengers are transferred by local boatmen to shore at Scala, where Thira is accessed by cable car, on foot, or by donkey. Santorini bears the same name and is the remnant of the volcanic caldera. The eruption left a large caldera surrounded by the volcanic ash deposits hundreds of meters deep. Santorini caldera is a large, mostly submerged caldera located in the southern Aegean Sea, 120 kilometers north of Crete in Greece. Visible above water is the circular Santorini Islands group, consisting of Santorini, the main island, Perissa and Aspronissi at the periphery, and the Kameni Islands at the center. The islands was the site of one of the largest volcanic eruptions in recorded history. The Minoan eruption, sometimes called the Thera eruption, which occurred about 3,600 years ago at the height of the Minoan civilization. Santorini was named by the Latin Empire in the 13th century and is a reference to Saint Irene, from the name of the old cathedral in the village of Perissa. The name Santorini is a contraction of the name of Saint Irene. We'll see you soon for upcoming video. Cheers!